Virus pandemic is affecting us in a number of ways. It's also playing a major role in the opioid epidemic and the rise of overdoses. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live at the mobile newsroom in the Elm City with more on that. Matt.
Well, Aaron, New Haven says over the last year, it's noticed an increase in the number of overdoses here, and it's not alone. It's happening across the country, and the pandemic is playing a role. In fact, a recent survey nationwide says opioid overdoses are up nearly 30% from 2019 to 2020. Now, in New Haven, the increase isn't that large, but the city says it has noticed an uptick during the pandemic, pointing to a large spike in late July in New Haven County that saw more than 20 overdoses in a 24-hour period, the majority of them here in New Haven. And then on Monday, police responded downtown to a restaurant on College Street. 2 men were found in a closet dead from apparent overdoses. Now, the city says it's been working with nonprofits and service providers to make sure folks are still able to get access to the services that are so desperately needed.
One of the challenges with the pandemic is with so many people indoors, they're not seeking treatment as much. And if they don't have as much access to treatment, it's obviously not good for their health, but it's also more difficult for us to identify where the problem is.
Now, New Haven has a harm reduction task force to help those dealing with opioid use disorder. Now, coming up tonight at 6, we're going to introduce you to some folks who are on the task force and the work they're doing here in New Haven. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Some very important work, Matt. Thank you very much.